Well, this is more Royal Doulton, this time Oxford Green. They made Oxford Gold and Oxford Green. The Oxford Green obviously has this sort of dark British racing green. It's a bit more turquoise than that really in the centre, as opposed to the gold centre in the Oxford Gold. 8-inch dessert salad or starter plates in very good vintage condition. These are made under the New Romance period of production of Oxford Green. It's TC1191 is the old reference on these. You can see these were sold as seconds originally by Royal Doulton. This one we can't see any particular reason why it's got a second mark on it. It looks absolutely fine. This one I can spot the reason. There's a bit of gilt that's gone on the underside of this rim and obviously shouldn't be there, but obviously you can't see that from the surface, as you can see. Otherwise they're in near mint condition. There's hardly a mark on them, and the actual gilt around the rims on both of these Oxford Green plates is very good. So they're going to offer somebody a bargain opportunity for either increasing their set of Oxford Green or as replacements for breakages. Both of these are available from the Vintage and Antiques website. If you follow the link description below, it'll take you through to the listing for these two side plates. Thanks for watching.